ISTE2E, I chose andragogy, which is a term that was coined by Malcolm Knowles. It is believed that andragogy is effective in distinguishing the learning processes from childhood versus adulthood. It's based on the concept that the learner is one who uses life experiences, is more self-directed. It engages the adult more and facilitates learning, but it doesn't dictate. It is the total opposite of pedagogy, which is more teacher directed, teacher centered. And so we're trying to move away from that in the 21st century and with more technology integration. The adult learner with andragogy is in charge of their own learning. It is self-paced, which has really helped in the school systems because a lot of times students fail or fall back because the teacher will go over the lesson, whatever that you didn't get, it was on you. And so there was a huge gap in the teacher student rapport, but that is increasing because of technology and the means that we can use to communicate. It also allows the learner to use their personal experiences to become more active in their learning. With technology being integrated, they can keep up and learn about new digital tools. They're more motivated to learn, they're more engaged. And they're more cooperative. They're more willing to complete assignments because they have a choice as to what they can choose, how they want to learn it. They can research it and design it any way that they want to, which helps them learn as well. And both student and teacher both become learners of one another.